All right, morning, happy Monday morning. Another new high on the Nasdaq. S&P has tried to test last week's high, but again has failed so far today, and we're trading 56.93, which is in balance, as you can see, for the day. Now, again, for the week, the Nasdaq continues to run. We've gone higher since last Monday, which you can see here. This was where we closed last Friday. And excuse me, that was the wrong one. Let's see, the 12th. Here is where we closed. That was, we had a run up to about 55.48. So we're 150 points last week, about 6% after a test of last week's low or closing. We did that on Thursday, and then rallied the rest of the week. So we've basically we've gone from 56.36 up here to today we hit 70 points, so about 1.2% or so. And again, just struggling to go higher, as I call this. We make a new high and roll over every time, just a tick high. This time we went above just a few points, 57.07 or so. So that's where we are. Again, if you pull back to the longer time frames, we're so far stretched, but there's nothing that can take this market down. Matter of fact, if Trump hadn't fired Comey, I think we'd be really motoring. The tax plan might have gotten done already, and we'd be on our way to the moon. So keep this in mind, that if he can fix that situation, which is pretty negative in the press right now, but just from the first of the year, you can see here our low of the year was 48.50 or so. So we are now up about 150 points, let's call it. 150 points for the year, or excuse me, 1,500 points. So a big rally continues on its way for the Nasdaq. Point of control for the year is still back here around 53.87. So we're solid 300 points. So just a pullback to there would be very bullish. I'd love to get a pullback here, as I think everybody else would. So who knows if we will, but right now we're inchworming higher every day. This is now starting the fourth week since we had this gap up that has yet to be filled. Gaps in all the markets happened 3 weeks ago, so this is the beginning of 4. Memorial weekend starts next week, so keep this in mind. Timing on the calendar is such that we may continue this right into Memorial Day. Trend is up, and very light volume, getting lighter and lighter.